Hello everyone, this is a Redmi Note 9 smartphone, and as per customer he is unable to hear the calls. The sound from calls is very low. So let me dial the customer care. See, it is slurring and it's not so clear, and the volume is full. As you can see, the volume is full. So now what we need to do is I need to just a minute. I'll disconnect. So here now I'll show you. Here you can see the speakers, the speaker grill. It is completely filled with dust. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to clean it. So for cleaning that one, what I'll do is just, if you wish, you can turn off the phone, or else you just keep the screen off. Take a brush, take isopropylene, dip the brush in isopropylene. Now hold the phone upside down in this way. Now we need to apply the brush here in this way. Here, clean it. So now take a lint-free cloth, just wipe it. Now after cleaning, you can see the holes are clear, and I'll call the customer care and check. Now again I'll dial the same customer care number.
Welcome to ICICI Bank.
See, now you can hear it very clearly and loud. It's loud now. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the low volume from calls of your Redmi 9 smartphone. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video, and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.